Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to hide your followers list on your Instagram profile and you are wondering how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started with the video. So, you can start by opening Insta for that and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And the thing you need to understand is that you cannot hide follower list on Instagram profile totally, but the primary method is making your account private. So for that, you can go to your profile, and from your profile in the bottom right corner, you can look out for the menu icon in the top right corner and tap on it. And within that menu right there, you can just scroll down and look out for the option for settings and privacy. So find it up. There's option right here, account privacy, tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding option called private account. So you just need to turn on this option right there, tap on it. After that, you can tap on this option called switch to private and confirm it up. And when you do, your account will be turned private. You need to have a personal account for that, and that will switch to private in the pop-up. Only the people you approve as your followers can see your list, and your new followers must be manually approved as well. Apart from that, you can remove or block specific people for public accounts. You can go to your follower or following list, and from there you can look out for the three dot. So from there you can go to the profile and look out for the three dot in the top and select the option of remove this option or remove follower, and that should hide your list from them. This is also the method available, and you must do it individually for each of the person. So usually to hide your followers list on Instagram profile, this is how you do it. Pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.